Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to show you how to remove a payment method from Cure Auto Insurance. We will also put links in the description below for various low-cost auto insurance options. To start, open the website cure.com. Then click on Login. Now, log in with your username or email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option for Make a Payment. Click on Make a Payment. On the pop-up window, you will see a section for Payment Method. Beside it is a button that says Manage. Click on Manage. Now, you will see your payment methods. Click on the Remove button under the payment method you wish to delete. Then a message will appear asking if you're sure to remove this payment method. To proceed, click on the Remove button. And now your payment method has been removed. That's how you remove a payment method from Cure Auto Insurance. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.